Congratulations, students, and thank you, parents.
Look, the same class.
Liam Luis F. Academic Award, Best in Philippines.
I'm proud to present to you the awardees from Transition Class Respect under Special Education Department